In this video we learn introduction of engine. What is engine? Engine is a device which converts chemical energy into heat energy and heat energy converts into mechanical work. Two types of engine: external combustion engine and internal combustion engine. First type of engine, external combustion engine. External combustion engine fuel burns in the external side of the engine. Example of external combustion engine is a steam turbine engine. Second type of engine, internal combustion engine. In internal combustion engine, fuel burns in the internal side of the engine. Examples of internal combustion engine: automobile engines is the examples of internal combustion engine.